A federal judge proposing an injunction against the Secretary of State's office in Georgia. It's a case involving absentee ballot signatures. Atlanta Bureau Chief Ashley Bridges was in court with what it means for you this election.
Counties rejecting absentee voter ballots because the signatures allegedly don't match those on record. Some signatures decades old. Who's making those calls?
The people who are rejecting these are not handwriting experts. These are lay people. They're hardworking elections officials who never sign up to be handwriting experts.
Why shouldn't signatures have to match?
For example, age. I think anyone who has a grandparent or an elderly parent who's worked with them on forms can attest to that. They can change because someone has a physical disability that they didn't have before, or they could change because someone is sitting differently when they're signing it on their desk than they did before.
And who were these rejections hurting the most? The most vulnerable, the elderly and the disabled. So counties rejecting the vote with no timeline for when the voter finds out and no specific recourse to fix it.
These are voters who have done everything right. They applied for an absentee ballot, they got one, and they signed it.
The judge saying that's unacceptable, rejecting arguments by the Secretary of State's office that it would be too difficult, ruling defendants cannot cry foul. The judge also seemingly baffled by their claims that it would call into question the integrity of the election to allow all legal eligible voters to vote. The court instead ruling that, to the contrary, it strengthens it.
If someone suggests that protecting the right to vote is somehow wrong, I don't want to be right.
But by the judge's ruling, he is right. So moving forward, the Secretary of State's office must mandate to the counties that if they determine a signature does not match, they cannot automatically reject that ballot. Instead, the ballot becomes provisional and the voter must be given a chance to prove his or her identity and have the vote count. Reporting in Atlanta, I'm Ashley Bridges.
And so far, this issue is estimated to affect a couple hundred ballots.